Okie dokie, welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today we have a bourbon apple cider. Yes, another cocktail. And Dave's Cooking Show comes to you every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 4 p.m. How you want to start this off is get yourself a metal shaker, fill it with ice, and add about 3 ounces of the bourbon of your choice. I chose Maker's Mark. Maker's Mark's certainly nowhere near top shelf, but it is... The bottle I'm using cost about 50 bucks, just to give you an idea, but you can certainly use what the lowest I'd go would be Jack Daniels. Now, you want to kind of massage a lemon a little bit. Chop that motherfucker in half. And then just squeeze in. Make sure there's no seeds or anything. Just squeeze the shit out of it. You want the juice of about a half a lemon. And then you want 3 ounces of apple cider, of course. Now, this is optional, but you can also add maybe a dash or 2 of bitters if you want. I didn't, but you can add a bit of bitters. And also, make sure you add a pinch of cinnamon and a pinch of nutmeg. I don't think it showed up too well on the recording, but pinch of cinnamon and a pinch of nutmeg. Then shake the shit out of it. Then, in a nice filled glass, just pour it on in. And that's it. Bourbon apple cider. Done.